Come here, bird. I'm trying to get this bird to come to me. He's really close. Look at him. What are you? Are you like a pigeon? Come here, guy. Hey. Look at your little feet there. You kind of look like a chicken mixed with something. What the fuck are you? Got some bread there, guy? How come you're not running from me? You're pretty. Come here, bird. Where you going? We walking? Can I come? Can you fly? Hey, guy. Want a stick? Do you mind if I get a little closer? You're a pretty bird. You got a family? Got a boyfriend? Alright, well, I guess I'll let you go. It's cool hanging out with you. Cool bird.